Yeah, Patrick, more than 100 pages you see here that were filed just last Monday and Tuesday. But according to the postage on many of these letters, they were written at various times, some during jury deliberation, others after the verdict. What they show mostly, though, is how polarizing a figure Judge Bruce Schroeder was in the eyes of the nation.
Kyle H. Rittenhouse, not guilty.
More than a week after the not guilty verdicts, we're getting a new look at just how polarizing the judge in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial was, from the words of those who watched. Residents from at least 22 other states wrote letters to the court expressing anger and praise. Most of the 115 pages we found directed to Judge Bruce Schroeder. If it had not been for you, that precious, intelligent, wholesome, motivated, and altogether adorable young man would have been a life wasted, one woman from Ohio wrote. Some of the most high-profile praise came from Hugo Holland, a controversial special prosecutor in Louisiana who was once forced to resign in a gun acquisition scandal. Holland wrote to Schroeder, "I would not have even bothered to take the Rittenhouse case to a grand jury. I would have pronounced it a good shoot and been done with it." But several letters were also critical of the judge. An Ohio viewer addressed one letter with "judge" in quotation marks, expressing displeasure towards Bruce Schroeder because of his obvious and blatant ways of favoritism that he has shown toward the defense, adding, "I hope this old and senile person who claims to be a man of the law can rest his head at night." And a man in New Mexico took his criticism further, writing, "It is disgraceful to interrupt justice as it appears you are trying to do." He added, "I'm going to write to the Board of Judicial Review and ask that you be seriously reviewed by them."
Derek, did anyone write letters to Kyle Rittenhouse?
Yeah, Patrick, out of everything filed after the verdict, we found only two letters rather, out of the 115 pages written directly to Kyle Rittenhouse. One of those was from a man in New York who said, "If I had been your father, I never would have let you go downtown." But in the next sentence, that same person wrote, "Kyle Rittenhouse's intentions were laudable and well-meaning."